In the race to align private capital to net zero targets, an alliance of the world's leading financial institutions is picking up the pace. The Glasgow Financial Alliance for Net Zero, otherwise known as GFANZ, will issue a common framework next week to help the financial sector transition to net zero. In a fireside chat at Temasek's Ecosperity event, GFANZ Co-Chair Mark Carney, who is also UN Special Envoy for Climate Action and Finance, says that the guidelines will address what financial institutions want of companies, how they can wind down stranded assets responsibly, and show what transition pathways and portfolio alignment look like. Mr. Carney says that this will also help the sector better evaluate green investment opportunities.
It's a transition framework, so people can judge the opportunities relative to the pathways that the steel sector, the aviation sector, the maritime sector have to follow in order to be on the path to Paris. Those cases are huge value opportunities because those industries tend to have lower valuation. There's less differentiation between low emitters and higher emitters.
The topic of green energy investments in the short term also weighed heavily given ongoing geopolitics and the energy crisis. Mr. Carney says that the scramble for energy has seen parties choosing alternative options that emit as much carbon or more. But he's positive looking further ahead.
With that medium-term perspective, most decisions are going to fall in favor of cleaner energy, sustainable energy, because, look, being exposed to a long global supply chain with unreliable suppliers, volatile prices, that's also killing the planet, doesn't make a lot of sense. And once you've built out the infrastructure, it's your wind, it's your sun, it's your hydrogen, and you go from there.